Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today's our amazing assignment is on chapter 9, Comparing Quantities. It is from, the amazing assignment is from Sadhana workbook, Objective Bank. For this you can refer workbook page number 26. Let us have a look on our amazing assignment today. Objective Bank, first problem, the ratio in simplest form of 6 meters 25 centimeters to 1 meter 25 centimeters is. So 6 meters 25 centimeters, that can be written as 625 centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then 6 meters is equal to 6 into 100, 600. So 600 centimeters plus 25 centimeters is 625 centimeters. Now this can be written as 625 centimeters, and 1 meter 25 centimeters can be written as 125 centimeters. As they are asking us the ratio in simplest form of 6 meters 25 centimeters to 1 meter 25 centimeters. Now that can be written in fraction form. Okay, now we know that 125 ones and 125 fives, 625. So the fraction is 5 by 1. The ratio form of 5 by 1 is 5 is to 1. Okay, that is the ratio. Next, the equality of two ratios is called proportion. Proportion. The value of 5% of rupees 200 is the value of 5% of 200. So take the problem. 5% of 200, it is equals to 5% can be written as 5 by 100. Of means into 200. We know that 100 ones 100 and 100 twos 200. 5 into 2 is 5 twos 10. So that is 10 rupees. Rupees 10 is the answer. 2.15% as a decimal is, first 2.15% is given. So that can be written as, see here I will do 2.15%. It is equals to 2.15 by 100. Okay, as they are asking us the only decimal form, see, as we have 100 as denominator, if we move the decimal point to the left side, we can avoid the denominator, right? So as we have two zeros, the decimal point can move two times to left side. Then here the decimal point will come, here 0 1 will come, right? So the answer 0.0215. This is the decimal form of 2.15%. Next, the percentage of 3 by 15 is, so 3 by 15 as percentage, 3 by 15 is equal to, this can be written as, now first we have to equal the denominator as 100, right? Equal the denominator as 100. 3 by 15 into 100 by 100, it is equals to 300 by 15 into 1 by 100. It is equals to, we know that 15 ones 15 and 15 twos 30 and 0. It is equals to 20 by 100. That means 20%. 20%. Next one, the ratio of 2 kilograms 500 grams rice to 5 kilograms 500 grams rice is. Take the problem. See, kilograms and grams are given So convert the kilograms into grams. We can write it as 2500 grams is to 5 kilograms 500 grams can be written as 5500 grams. Now this ratio form we can also write it as 2500 by 5500. See here, two zeros cancel, and 5 5s 25, 5 11s 55. That answer is 5 by 11. This fraction form we can also write it as 5 is to 11. So the answer is 5 is to 11 is the answer. Next, ratio of half an hour to 120 minutes is, half an hour is nothing but half an hour. An hour has 60 minutes. Half of the hour is nothing but 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is to 120 minutes, 120 minutes. This can be written as 30 by 120. 0 0 cancel. We know that 3 1s 3 and 3 4s 12. It is equal to 1 by 4. The ratio form of this is 1 is to 4. So 1 is to 4 is the answer. Next, if 15% of a number is equal to 225, then the number is dash. If 15% of a number is equal to 225, that means 15% of some number is equal to some number means that is an unknown value. Okay, unknown values can be represented as x. Okay, think that that is an unknown value, so it is as x. So it is equals to 225. That means 15% of some amount is equal to 225. Then the number is here, the x is, okay. Now 15% can be written as 15 by 100 into x is equal to 225. This is equals to, now 15 into x is equal to 225 into 100. Okay. Now this, see this problem I am taking here, 15 into x is equal to 500. Okay, 22,500. If we multiply 225 with 100, we will get the answer. This. Okay, then x is equal to 22,500 by 15. Now cancellation. 5 3s 15 and 5 4s 20, 5 5s 25 and 0 0. Now see, 4 plus 5 is 9. So it can be divided by 3. 3 1s 3 and 3 1s 3. Here 1 will be left. 3 5s 15 and 0 0. So the answer 1,500. Okay, so 1,500. So 15% of 1,500 is equal to 225. Next one. The percent form of unshaded part of the following is, here how many total number of grids are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is a 10 by 10 grid. 10 by 10 grid is nothing but 100 total number of squares will be there, right? 10 into 10, instead of counting all the squares, count number of rows and number of columns. Okay, and multiply the number of rows by number of columns, you will get the total number of squares. So out of these 100, how many are unshaded? Here see 3 columns, right? That means each row is having, or each column is having 10, right? then 3 tens 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 35 out of 100 are unshaded. As we have to represent it as fraction, 35 per 100 is nothing but 35% of grid is unshaded. Next, 10th one, 5:7 and it's a box, 3:8. So here less than, greater than or equal to option is given. So we have to find which ratio is greater than or less than. Now 5:7 can be written as 5/7, and here you take as it is bracket 3/8. The LCM of 7 and 8, as these two are not having any common factors, multiply 7 8s 56. So 56 is the LCM of 7 and 8. Now equal the denominators. If we equal the denominators, then comparison is easy. 5/7 into 8/8. Next 3/8 into 7/7. Now 5 8s 40 by 7 8s 56, and here 3 7s 21 by 8 7s 56. Now both the denominators are same. We can compare numerators directly. 40 and 21, as 40 is greater than, so 40 by 56 is greater than 21 by 56. So here greater than symbol. This is only our assignment for today's children. Thank you.